Hi all, we are doing more examples regarding the same substitution method. So it will make you more clear about this method. As I said before, we have algebraic solution for finding a pair of linear equation. How to find the solution? We are using algebraic method of solution. In that, first one is our substitution method. We already did few examples. Here we are going to do another example. In this example, we are doing with fractions. So get ready and don't get bored. Do more examples and understand well the topic. So let's come to the question. Here we are using fractions. What is happening here is that here from the first equation, what we will do first? We will write what is x from the first one. First equation, that is our first step. So we are going to do our first step of substitution method. Now you are all familiar with this method. So do fast, try well. Okay, now let's do our answer as from the first equation. I am writing that first equation again. Okay, now we are writing what is x. So 3 by 2 x equal to minus 2 plus 5 by 3 y. This minus 5 by 3 going to right side as 5 by 3 y. Now what is x? So x is equal to minus 2 plus 5y by 3 multiply with this 5 by 3y. You can write 5y by 3. Then 3 by 2 goes to right side as 2 by 3. 2 is the denominator, RHS side it will be the numerator, like that. Now, just do cross multiplication here this side, because here plus is the. So, just a fraction. We are writing 1 if there is no denominator. So, fraction, one more fraction. Addition of the fraction, do cross multiplication. So, minus 2 into 3 minus 6 plus 1 into 5y is 5y divided by 1 into 3 is 3. That we are multiply with our 2 by 3. So, that 2 multiply with the minus 6 plus 5y and 3 multiply with 3. So, hope you all got the answer. I am writing the answer. 6 into 2, 12, minus 12, minus 6 into 2, minus 12, plus 5 into 2, 10y, divided by 3 3s are 9. That is our x. So, from the first equation, from the pair of linear equations, with the first equation, we brought what is x. That we got here, what is x. And this x, we are substituting in our second equation. Then we will get what is y. So we are substituting. Next our step is substituting in equation 2. So let's write that one. Okay. Now I will write the second equation here. X by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 13 by 6. Here I am just substituting. So x by 3 means you can write it as 1 by 3x. Both are same. So this portion I am splitting like a 1 by 3x. So easily I can apply the value of x. For that I am doing that one. So here, this side 1 by 3, what is x? That we can write minus 12 plus 10y by 9. That right here. Minus 12 plus 10y by 9, that you written there, plus y by 2 equal to 13 by 6. Okay. Now, next step. What is the next step? 1 multiply with the numerator will be the same. Minus 12 plus 10y, there is no change, nothing change, divided by 3 9s. 3 9s are 27 plus y by 2 equal to 13 by 6. Again you have to do cross multiplication here because it's numerator, denominator, addition of the fractions. We do cross multiplication. You can use any of the method. Here I am going to do cross multiplication. So 2, this 2 multiply with this numerator. Minus 12 plus 10y. That is, we are doing cross multiplication. This is steps 2 multiply with the minus 12 plus 10y plus 27 into y. Here variable is y. 27y divided by 27 into 2. That is this arrow at 20. Both the denominators multiply. It will be 54 equal to 13 by 6. Now distribute that 2 with both the numbers. 2 minus 12. 2 into minus 12 will get minus 24 plus 2 into 10y is 20y plus 27y is outside the bracket, that also written, divided by 54 equal to 13 by 6. Now what is next? One more. We can do one more step. Minus 24 plus 20 plus 27 is 47y divided by 54 equal to 13 by 6. Now we got like this. Minus 24 plus 47y by 54 equal to 13 by 6. You can use either of the method. So next step. So I will just rub here. Let's rub this side. Okay. Next portion we are writing. What is the next step? Before that, let's write here in the corner. Let's write here. Let's write here what was our x. Just for our reference only. Minus 10y by n. This was our x. This is for our reference. Then I am going to continue from this side. Here, where we stopped, minus 24 plus 47y by 54 equal to 13 by 6. What is the next step? What is the next step? Here the denominator is 54. The denominator going to RHS side, then it will be the numerator. So one change will happen. What is this numerator? You can write the same. Minus 24 plus 47y equal to, and the RHS side 13 by 6. Here divided by 54. Going to right side, multiply with 54. You can write like this. Now what is happening? You can cancel this 6 with the 54. We know 9 6 are 54. Now minus 24 plus 47y equal to 13 into 9. 13 into 9. 9 3 is 117, you will get it. 117, yes, 117 you will get it. That 117 you can write there. Next, 47y equal to 117 minus 24 on the right side. It will be plus 24. So your answer is 141. Answer will be 141. So 47y equal to 141. So what is y? What is y? Y equal to 141 divided by 47. 141 divided by 47. 47 you can do multiply with 3. 7 3 is 21, 12, 13, 41. 41 will get right. So what is the value? When you are dividing 141 with the 47. 47 multiply with 3, you will get 141. So y is 3. So write here y is 3. So our answer, we got what is y. We got y equal to 3. So from the calculations. So we reached from here. From here we applied each steps and we reached at what is y. So that y also we can write here y equal to 3. Next I am just rubbing the board. I am going to rub the board. So till y we reached. Next step is we are just finding what is x substitute that y value in this equation. In the equation 2 you can give, or in this x that also you can give, and we are substituting. Just putting that value and find what is x. So I am going to represent. Now you have y equal to 3 in your hand. From that we are finding what is the value of x. That is what we are going to find next. So it's almost clear. Okay. Hope you all are understood well till now. Okay, next we are doing y equal to 3. Put y equal to 3 in x equal to minus 12 plus 10y by 9. In that one you can give that y equal to 3. So what you are getting? Minus 12 plus 10y means that 10 into what is y? Y is 3. 10 into 3. Here 10 into 3 divided by 9. It is equal to minus 12 plus 30 by 9. Minus 12 plus 30 by 9. So what you will get? You will get it as 30. Minus 12 plus 30 means it's simply 30 minus 12 by 9. 30 minus 12. What you will get? It will be 30 minus 12, 18. So the answer is 18 by 9. 18 by 9 is 2. 9 2s are 8. So you can write as 2. 18 by 9 is 2. So you can write x is equal to 2. So you can apply in this x equation, or you can apply here in the question. In the question you have one equation, x by 3 plus y by 2 plus 13 by 6. In this also you can apply. Simply you can apply here, x equal to minus 12 plus 10y by 9. So you got x equal to 2. Hope you all get what is x now. So our answer is x equal to 2. That also we got x equal to 2. So what is the solution? So have you written the notes? Hope you all have completed the notes now. So what is the solution? From this, what is the solution? We got x equal to, so we can conclude that y equal to 3, x equal to 2 is the solution. This is our answer. Y equal to 3 and x equal to 2 is the solution. So, hope you got the idea. So, we already completed the session and we did more examples. So, think that you all got what is this substitution method. So, take paper and try yourself whether you are getting the same answer, and study well. Keep learning. That's all about today's class. Thank you.